Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting now, open the Sky Center Control app, and allow camera, location, and notifications so the app can find hardware and send alerts. Tap Sign In or Create Account, then complete two-factor authentication to secure access. Once authenticated, scan the station QR code or enter the device ID to pair immediately. Make sure the firmware listed matches the expected version. This first sequence gets you authorized and linked, without delay, so you can proceed to control and configure. Now you move into the core. Open Dashboard to view the live feed and incident list, and use quick controls for immediate actions. Navigate to automations to create triggers with conditions and delays, choose recipients for notifications, and test each rule so alerts behave predictably. Then fine-tune cameras. Set PTZ presets, soft limits, recording resolution, and retention period to balance detail versus storage. Once done, run a short scenario to verify that rules, PTZ moves, and recordings perform together as intended. Finish by saving all configurations and running the system health check so you catch network, storage, or CPU issues before they matter. Verify scheduled tasks and test a full workflow from trigger to notification. Update firmware and the app. Restart hardware when updates prompt a reboot because that stabilizes drivers. If something still goes wrong, feed drops or controls freeze, check the network first, reboot the device, and then repair only if problems persist. This sequence isolates most issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.